Hey guys, it's Anthony, and today we're going to be taking a look at different ways to make money online. So, there are several different ways that I've listed that you can make money online. The first one is online jobs. So, you can do manual input, you can do teaching specialization. So, if you know a language or you know a certain skill and you're really good at it, you can create like courses for other people to learn, and you can sell those to people, and it's pretty valuable information. You can also teach people what you know. For blogging, you can start a blog and then start advertising. I know people start blogs and they build up their audience, and they actually get a pretty decent amount of money from it. So there's also YouTube, in which you can start a YouTube channel and then you can advertise, your channel, and then do affiliate links, things like that. You can also stream. So there's Twitch and there's Mixer, there's YouTube. You can stream, build an audience, and you can also advertise once you have enough. You can also, a big thing is you can also sell new or used items that you have already. So there's going to be a lot of shortages in computer parts and computers right now, especially with the supply chain issues in China and different other countries. It would be beneficial if you guys pulled out maybe some computers that are kind of newer or that you're not using, and go ahead and list those on like eBay or OfferUp, Craigslist, whatever you need, or Amazon even. So I would recommend you guys it could be electronics or any other thing. Just look in the garage, look in your attic, your basement, whatever you may have, and see if you haven't touched that thing in a while. Just go ahead and list it. You can also offer to sell neighbors goods. Like, say you ask your neighbor or something, or your friend, or hey, you have anything I could sell, and maybe they'll ask you, get a little bit of commission off of it. You can also start a social media marketing business. So what that is you will go to different small businesses. It could even be a little bit bigger businesses, but you tend to go to smaller businesses and you ask them, hey, how is your media presence? Do you have a Google page, like business page on Google Maps? Do you have a Yelp set up? All those things. There's a bunch of a website, and our Instagram, Twitter, etc. So you can offer that to the business owner and say, hey, I can set up this for you and I can manage it. What do you want me to manage? What control do you want me to have? Different things like that. Another one is offering services to your neighbors. So maybe it's an oil change or taking care of their laptop, saying you want to repair it, or something that you're good at that you can do. Offer them a service. There's also taking care in the pool, cutting the lawn, etc. And the last one will be a bonus round, actually. So it's going to be food delivery. So there's going to be a lot of food delivery, especially right now. You guys can do Uber Eats, Postmates, DoorDash, Favor, and whichever one is in your location right now. But these are definitely some good ways to earn a little bit of a side income. If you guys want to make some extra cash, then these are definitely good ways to do it. Anyway, this is the end of the video, and I really guys hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content, and leave a like and comment. I'll read all the comments and I reply to all the comments. So have a good one. Peace.